this video we will see how to check whether given two trees are same or not. So let's read the question. Given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if they are same or not. Now we have to check whether these two are same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. We have to check three conditions, majorly two conditions: structure and value of nodes. See, what two conditions? Structure and value. Value we can find whether P value is equals to Q value or not. And for structure we have to see both, whether left of P is same of left of Q, and right also, right of P is same as right of Q. We will solve it by recursion. See how recursion work. We are given these nodes P and Q. We assume that recursion does it work. See, if we write bool left, so we will call this function. The function given is bool isSameTree and two nodes given P and Q. Now let's call this function bool is left same. We will call this function, the given function is SameTree, P ka left and Q left. Also for right is right same, so is SameTree, P right or Q right. Now what are the three conditions we need to check? We need to check is left and is right. Also P value must be equals to Q value. If all three conditions satisfy, then it will return, the function will return true. Otherwise any of the conditions fails, then it will return false. Now we also need to write base condition, till where we have to write the recursion. So base condition is, see, if any of the node will become null, then we have to stop. So if whether P is null or Q is null, then we can return whatever, whether they are same or not. If they are same, then it will return true, and if they are not same, then it will return false. So let's dry run the code. First of all, isSameTree. Let's assume these as nodes. These are not nodes, these are values, but for simplicity we are assuming it as nodes. So P comma Q means 1 comma 1 is called. Then this function will check whether either P is null or Q is null. Both P and Q are not null. So is left is called. Is left. In this, the same function is called. It's SameTree left tree. What will be left? 2 comma 2. Now for this also, this is also a function. It will check if condition both are not null. So if condition not satisfied, then it will find left. Both are not null, so left is What is left? Is same tree. Now in both the conditions, the left is null. It is also null. Left, right, both. And we have to find whether any of the condition is, any of the node is null, then we will return false. Null comma null. What it will give? If P is null, Q is null. Both are null. So P is equals to null equals to null. It will return true. True. Left is true. Similarly, what is right? Right is also is same tree. What is the right node of 2? It is also null. We'll call null. It will also return true. See, if we have like this, it is 4. Let's say the left node of 2 is 4. Then, and this is null. There is nothing in 2. So in this case, what we get the answer? We get 1 is not null, other is null. So here it will return false. So we can check whether left is same or not. So here both returns true. Then what is the final? What it have to return? Is left same? Is right same? So both are true, and value of P equals to value of Q. Here value of P is 2 and Q is also 2. So true and true and true. It will return true. Final. So it is true. Till now we had reached till here. What is left? In the main root. Now similarly, we'll call is right. For right also, same procedure will be followed. What is right of right to 1? 3, 3. Again, it will check the condition. If condition not satisfied, then find the left. Is left. Similar to this, both are null. Null comma null. So it will return P equals to Q. What is P equals to Q? True, because both are null. Left of 3 here is also null, and here also left of 3 is null. So left return true. Similarly, is right return for true, and the final return statement is left, is right, and value. So true and value is also same, so true. Finally it will return true. So left also returns true, and right also return true. Here left also left returns true, right also returns true. Now the final return statement. Return is left is true, and is right also true, and value P value and Q value both are same, so it also return true. So the final answer will be return true. This function return true. So we can say that both the given trees are same. See, our output is true, so it is true. Similarly, we can solve another example. Another example is 1 true, 1 2. Now let's dry run for this. first of all is same tree 1 comma 1 called. Now it will check the if condition. If one is null or this, right, PQ is null. So both are not null, either of them are not null. So if condition not satisfied, now check left. Is same tree. What is left to 1? It is 2. And what is left to 1 here in this one? It is null. So null called. Now it will check if 2 is null or null is this is P and this is Q. So if either of them are null, so what we have to return? P equals to Q. See, both are different, not null, so return false. Here we got false. Similarly for right is same tree of what is right to 1 null and it is 2 null comma 2. Similar to this, it also false. Now return is left is false and is right false, and but values are same, both have values 1. So finally it will return false. So these two trees are not same. Now let's see the code in LeetCode. Now let's code this function. So first call the left is left same is left tree similarly call right of P and right of Q. Now check the 3 conditions. Return whether is left is right and both values, value of P and value of Q. And the base condition is if either of these are null, then return. See, we have written like this, P equals to Q. What is this? This is if P equals to Q, then return true, else it will return false. So the both conditions I had written in this single statement. Let's run this code. Now submit. All test cases pass. So this